Trust in Jesus during life storms. Once, Jesus and his disciples were crossing a large lake in a boat. The weather was calm at first, but soon a big storm came. The wind blew hard and the waves started crashing into the boat. The disciples became very afraid, thinking the boat would sink and they might drown. They looked around and saw Jesus sleeping peacefully in the back of the boat. They were shocked and scared. How could he sleep during such a storm? One of the disciples woke him up and cried, "Lord, save us. We are going to die." They were filled with fear, not knowing what to do. Jesus woke up, looked at the storm, and calmly said, "Why are you afraid? Where is your faith?" Then he stood up, raised his hands, and commanded the wind and the waves to be still. In an instant, the storm stopped. The winds calmed down and the sea became as peaceful as ever. The disciples were amazed. They had never seen such a miracle before. They looked at each other and whispered, "Even the wind and the sea obey him." Through this, Jesus taught his disciples that in every storm of life, no matter how big or scary it seems, they should trust him. Just like he calmed the stormy sea, Jesus can calm the storms in our lives too, whether it's problems, fears, or difficulties. All we need to do is have faith and trust in him. So, whenever we feel scared or lost in life, we should remember to call on Jesus and believe that he will guide us through safely. With faith in him, no storm is too big to face.